Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook is not responding in Microsoft Office or 365. Let's go start. Go to this PC and open it. Then click on Local Disk C under the installed Windows system. Then click on Program Files 86 and click on Microsoft Office. Click Office 15, Microsoft version WAS version is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Locate the SCANPST.EXE. Click on it. Open the new interface in Outlook Repair Tools, then click on Browser and go to your Office folder and run it to fix corrupted .pst or .os files. Select File and Open Click. Click Start to initiate the scan. You wait to run this tool sometimes until no errors are found. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. The processing time depends on the data capacity. Less data will take less time and more data will take more time. Error found 49. Unbox the Make Backup of scanned file before reporting Outlook, then click Repair. Waiting for Microsoft Outlook Inbox Repair Tool processing times. Now repair is completed. Close the window and restart your computer. After restart your computer and open it Microsoft Outlook. Outlook opens successfully. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.